Hello everyone, this is from A to Z Construction channel, and today we will be helping you in selecting the right paint and primer to your house to protect it from dampness and related rainwater effects. And also in this video we will be explaining you the right method or the correct procedure to be considered while painting your house. In this regard, we will be briefing you about one of our product from Asian Paints. It is the interior primer which reduces the dampness in the interior walls, and the product name is Smart Care Damp Sheath Interior. This product is specially formulated interior waterproofing primer. Smart Care Damp Sheath Interior Primer prevents surface dampness from showing itself on top coat and improves the life of a top coat. This interior waterproof primer is easy to apply and which can be directly applied over putty to get better performance and appearance. This is the product Smart Care Damp Sheath Interior. This was the product which we are briefing, and this product Smart Care Damp Sheath Interior prevents surface dampness from showing itself on top coat and improves the life of the top coat. As shown in this figure, this waterproofing primer acts as the undercoat to the top coat and prevents surface dampness from showing itself on top coat and improves the life of the top coat. Here you can see the directions for use for this product, Asian Paints Smart Care Damp Sheath Interior. The same we will be demonstrating in the further part of this video. Here in this video, we will be showing you how the undiluted coat of Smart Care Damp Sheath Interior Primer is applied over 3 coat of Arcelic putty, which is also from Asian Paint. Before putty application, it is important to ensure that the substrate shall have no chalking, loose sand or paint particles, and it should be free from oil and grease stains. For fresh plaster, the substrate shall be completely cured, crack free and in sound condition. Clean the surface to ensure it is free of any dirt and loose particles. Sand the surface with sandpaper 180 or use wire brush for vigorous cleaning of substrate if required, and wipe it clean. This is the sandpaper 180 which is used to sand the surface and remove the dirt and loose particles on the surface. Using this sandpaper, the putty walls will be sanded and all the dirt and loose particles will be removed, and surface will be made rough for the application of top coat. Stir the contents thoroughly and apply undiluted 1 coat of Smart Care Damp Sheath Interior with Asian Paints True Care Interior Brush or Roller with coverage of 9.29 square meters per liter or 100 square feet per liter. A single undiluted coat of Smart Care Damp Sheath Interior Primer is sufficient to stop water ingress through cracks and avoid dampness in the interior walls. 1 year of warranty will be provided when applied by the recommended application systems, which covers dampness. This product gives better whiteness, finishing and hiding compared to regular primer. This primer will also help in avoiding the paint peel off due to dampness in interior walls, and it protects your furniture like wardrobes getting deteriorated due to dampness in walls. This is the only primer in the market which gives you waterproofing warranty on its product. This primer increases top coat coverage by 15%, where you can make additional savings. This means your material consumptions for top coats goes down by 15% by using this particular material. This will be an additional saving for you by using this material, in addition with the protection to your furnitures and top coat against the dampness. Usage of Smart Care Damp Sheath Interior helps in getting superior top coat finish for your house, which gives additional whiteness finishing and hiding compared to regular primers. And the most exciting part is that you get 2 years warranty on dampness when used in combination with Smart Care waterproof putty. Isn't it amazing? Allow it to dry for 3 to 4 hours. Post drying of damp sheath interior. Apply top coats as per recommendation. It is strongly recommended to go by the application as told so that wall become waterproof and warranty can be claimed. This primer can also be used on already painted existing structure also by following the necessary procedures required.
Thanks for watching. Please do hit that subscribe button and then click the bell notification and select all notifications so that you don't miss any videos from this channel. See you in the next video.